Hi, I'm Robin from grillgirl.com and welcome to 30-Minute Meals. As a busy mom, I know how hard it can be to get dinner on the table, especially under 30 minutes. Luckily, our friends at Walmart, Kingsford, and Masterbuilt give us simple tools and ingredients to get dinner on the table in no time. Today, I'm making chili lime steak fajitas with a very flavorful 4-ingredient marinade of lime, garlic, cilantro, and chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna head over to the grill and crank it up to 400, which should take me less than 10 minutes. All right, let's make our marinade. Now I'm gonna add my veggies to the griddle and let them cook for about 10 minutes. Pro tip, for thicker steaks, smoke them on the warming rack and then finish them up on the griddle. These steaks have rested for 10 minutes, so now let's make some fajitas. Wow, so many flavors and all that smoky mesquite flavor coming from the Kingsford charcoal. Cheers to these amazingly epic fajitas that we made in under 38 minutes. You'll find plenty of easy 30-minute meals you can master at home right here. Be sure to shop Walmart where you can find the Gravity Series griddle and Kingsford charcoal. See you next time.